Hey guys, welcome back to the DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to report Roadkill on Waze. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Waze application into your device. Now, from here guys, you could just simply select the plus icon on the right side of the screen, a triangle yellow with a plus icon. And from here, as you can see, make sure you are outdoors for this feature to be working. Now, from here, you would just simply go ahead and select hazard over here on what do you see a category. So of course, there will be multiple other options, but you will have hazard over here. And now here on the hazard, you could just simply go ahead and go for the object. This is the best thing that you could do and the closest thing to report a roadkill. And now, as you can see, everyone in the Waze application can see that there is some object on the road, and pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.